guys, so today we're going to talk about another product that we have. Now this is, we call it like a drop hook, and this can be worked with, I'm not going to say any drone, but it can work with a lot of drones. And I'm going to show you kind of how this works. Now this is our least expensive model, and it's kind of the most practical because you don't even necessarily need a drone to use this one. Let me show you how it kind of works. So you're gonna have some hooks or some key rings that you're gonna want to attach to this. Now we do, I think we do send a key ring with you, but most of this stuff you're gonna have to tie up yourself because we don't know what you're, delivering or dropping. Now I use these things. They're like cable ties, but they're like bending. You can wrap them around things, and we may be selling these here pretty soon on our website. So stay tuned to our Facebook page and our Instagrams to get updates on new products that we're coming out with. But let me kind of show you how it works here. So I'm just going to tie this to a piece of duct tape. See how secure that is. And let's say this is attached to your drone, or maybe you're working on a house or a building and you just need to drop some stuff down, and you don't want to throw them down. So what you're going to do is connect this to your drone or your whoever, your rope or whatever. So this is connected like this. Now as you're flying or you're dropping it down, as soon as the weight is distributed off of the spring, you'll see, watch. It ejects the spring and you can fly off or winch it back up and drop another piece of duct tape or however that works. But it's really simple. You lock it in to this little lip and surprisingly, it's pretty secure. As long as that spring, I mean, if you go up and down, it may eject, but if you're coming down and you can just click, you can fly away and it ejects that spring, and then you're ready to go. Like I said, this is only like 20 bucks on our website. You can go on our eBay page as well. Check out our eBay, and we do have an Amazon page as well, and we'll put all that descriptions in the links below. And yeah, you guys have fun out there with all of this stuff and be safe.